The top's chrome, 997, 906, 907. This is the Kobe Bryant, Iverson era. Just gonna bust this box open. Hopefully find something good inside here. Got the cards here. Just grab them out. I think there are 4 cards per pack. So we've got here. David Robinson. Oh look, an error card. I think. Oh, was it? Oh no, it's just no. Sorry, it's just the Carmelo, David Robinson talking about him. Sorry. Larry Johnson and. Gilman. Okay, another pack of these. I think these are very limited print. So, oh yeah, Abdul Rahim, Delk, Terrell Brandon. Oh, they're very sticky, these cards. They'll carry. Looks like a an insert of some sort. To show Stephen Marbury, which is his rookie year. So Ryder with the Bucks. PJ Brown, just won a championship. The Boston Celtics, and Derek Coleman. Okay. Eric Williams, Dale Ellis. Oh, there's a Tony Walker. I think he was a rookie that year. And Mark Jackson. There's Sean Kemp. They're pretty sticky. Sure, they're very sticky full, but the strength, Allens, and who's this? Charlie Ward. There's an Earth Youth Shaker. Oh, Kobe Bryant. Oh, nice. It's a nice card. I want to see how much that's worth. That one side. Mike Jackson. Donna Barris. And Charles Barkley. Excellent. It's nice getting that Kobe there. I'll just show you after the video. And there's Eric Williams, another Charlie Ward, Dennis Scott, and Carmelo. Dikembe Mutombo, Luke Longley, Jamal Mashburn, and who's that?